Come on now. Let's see.
Don't take a picture of my head. 4 a.m. Central.
Alright, turn. You gotta give me a pose now. No way. I can't do this.
I got him hyped up.
Oh, Jesus. Let's see. I can't. Alright, give me an answer. Yeah, give me the Jamie tie of the t-shirt. Give me chlamydia. Hurry up.
I'm working on it, man.
He's really cute. He's with his fiance. She's 20.
Oh, I just went and got you another t-shirt.
Wrong one, because I wasn't going to let him take a picture of me without my shirt on.
Yeah, because the shirt definitely completes the ensemble.
Why? You didn't want your man boobies to show?